Welcome to City Grill, and my name's Rob Boy. In this episode, just something fun. I'm gonna do hamburger sliders with onions, or onion hamburger sliders, however you want to say it. A little similar to a White Castle, maybe McDonald's leash, kind of, but not really a slider at McDonald's. But anyways, I have my onions I've chopped up. I also put some dehydrated onions in here with a little beef bouillon and about a half a cup of water. So on my Blackstone Griddle, I'm just gonna bring this over on the cooler side. I know it's gonna sizzle, there's a little bit of oil on there, that's okay. Oh wow, it smells delicious already. Get the onions out here to help simmer them up a bit. Just like so, as much as I can off of there. All right. Take that, some of my liquid. I'm just gonna let those rest on here, simmer up, cook a little bit, right? Get them softened up, and then this is cooler on this side, hotter way over here on the far end, and just kind of cools down because I don't want to burn up my onions, right? So just let them sit there for just a few minutes, or watch them as I cook the hamburgers itself. All right, with these slider burgers, they're really small, right? They're only a couple inches in diameter, right? So we're gonna put those on the griddle. We're gonna smash them down. So I'm just gonna place just a few of them out here, right? I don't want to overload the grill right away. So we'll take those, smash them down for about 10 seconds. I'm using some parchment paper, okay? Just like that. Oh, those look great. Do the other ones here. You spread them apart a little bit further next time, but that's okay. All right, we'll take a look there. Looks like that. And then in this case, you can use salt and pepper, whatever seasoning you want. I have Dano's Original. This is pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some of the Dano's on here, just to get a little extra flavoring. Bam, just like that. All right, so this is cooked. So we see the juices come up to the top, and then we're gonna flip them over. All right, the juices are coming up on the burgers, so go ahead and flip them just like that. Oh, those look beautiful. I can give a quick press. Just like so. Then I'll go ahead and put a little more Dano sauce on top here. I'm just about ready to bring over. I'm gonna bring them over to the cool side, right? I'm gonna look at the bottom. They can go a little bit longer there. I'll give them a little more press. I'll put them over here with the side with my onions. I'm just stack them up over here. Again, it's cool on that side, and then we'll get ready to take them in here in just a minute. Okay, I have the onions already golden brown and sauteed. I have all my burgers, these sliders. There's at least 16 of them here, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some of these onions around it. Just mix it up really good like this. The burgers are off right now. I'm letting it all start to cool down a bit. Just mix that up. If I can flip this burger, that'd be nice. And then I'm just gonna dish it up. We'll go inside and start making slider burgers with this. You know, you could do your buns out here too, which is fine. In this case, everybody said, hey, let's just leave the buns inside. Let's do it that way. That's just fine with me. So I'm just gonna plate up the meat, the onions in here. Oh wow, this smells so good. We'll give it build up a burger here real quick, give it a taste, and go from there. All right. All right, I have my plate ready with my onion slider burger. I have some onion rings as well. Onions are on there. I don't really care for any mustard, ketchup, but you can always do that. No big deal, right? I'm gonna just kind of squish it together a little bit, take a bite. Wow, delicious. Get the recipe at citygrill.com. See you on the next video.